Just testing the oscilloscope. Is that connected? Oh, I think it's that way, isn't it? Oh, gosh. Ah, right, yeah. Got the leads, yeah. So that this there goes on there. And then the ground. Yeah, okay. Just checking the oscilloscope, just check my waveform is okay. Oh, fucking hell, I can't stand these fucking OLEDs. Fucking annoying. Focus. Right. That looks okay. Oh yeah, you just the trim, that's it, the trim. Where is it? There's the trim there. And you adjust that, it's focused. It's focused. It's okay. Okay, so okay. Turn that off. Okay. Why does it always do that? Why does it always kind of wobble back? Doing it again. Why does it always do that? Okay. Much there. A little bit. It's a bit of a resonant. Of course, that's just attaching where the base shakers have got to be placed, and certain other materials and fixings and such where the seat back is resonating, because I can feel it if I put my hand on the back here. Yeah, back here. You know, I can feel it resonating. So step over everything. Yeah, that feeling there. Yeah, the feeling seems to be the same. Same sensation. So only a DC 3M, you know. So that leads connecting to the probe. The oscilloscope, that's 125 Hz. But it doesn't sound like a true 125. Maybe the feel, well, that's difficult. Because that's like I say, testing these little bass shakers, like I tested them. I'll turn that bloody light off. Tested them against, purposely put it against my chin. I can feel the vibration, the sine wave in it. 30, 40, oh gosh, 40, wow, blimey, the flipping, oh, just a couple of seconds of that, oh, flipping that feels pretty powerful. But it's pretty an unusual position to place it. So usually a check test with, but I need to see. I don't know. I think there's got to be a display to bring up here. I know it's set to a certain division on here, and if the level goes over a certain, then that's more than 1 volt and such. But I need to see actual numbers. I know you can see them on the. Go on the True RTA. I need to wire just do a specific wiring just to test the bass shakers input. That's not it. Oh, where is it? Oh, millivolt. No, it's millivolt. It's not. I'm not sure that goes up into volts. Does it? I don't use it a lot. I don't have much experience using that too much. I guess it does. Yeah, it's got to go from millivolts up into volt. Because but I'm not going for high level sort of things. Only a few volts as such at the very most. That's all you really need for these bass shakers. But then I need the conversion. There's so many converters to convert voltage into watts. I'll have to compare this with that. I'll have to do a test, another video. So I've got one connected to the and then one connected to the computer, going to the, or one connected to the THX and then over to the computer. So I need to wire. I just need to put a single wire on the SW input, and then I can check the amplifier that's using for the bass shakers, the Oscilloscope. Check the do a side by side. Of course. Ooh. No. Oh yeah, it's on the what's it? That's on the. I don't think that's on the SW. I think that's on the. Oh. No, it can't be on the. No, it won't be on the bass shaker. I don't know where that signal's coming up there. It's got to be a phantom. It's got to be a phantom, that. Kind of echo, sort of acoustical. No, kind of direct echo, sort of harmonic reflection phenomena, because that output, no, the outputs here, they're muted at the moment, so they're not going to the sub. Let me just check the THX. Maybe my cats are up to something out here. Oh, I know. They just meow. Don't you, Magic? Yeah, I know you meow. Yeah, that's on surround. Maybe I had my surround on unmuted. So that's SW on amp return. Power amp. That's processor. So that's amp return. I need to do a wiring on the Lacius here and bring it. It's just a simple wiring. Yeah, it's a bird nest. Yeah, it's just a simple wiring. Come up to here on the SW. No, actually, that's the processor input. It's down there, and I think it's on the test. No, it's on this one here. Yeah, this is the amp return. So I just need to undo that one because that's connected on another amp. I just connect undo that wire, and then connect another wire on there and bring it down. Oh gosh, blimey! Look at this. Oh, I shouldn't have put these power unit distributors this way. I should have got well. Thing is, how many plugs have I got here? Bloody hell! There's a brimming lot here. Look at all these crocodiles. Look at these snappers. Crikey. How many plugs? Oh, crying out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Bloody hell. Whew. Yeah, I need one that's a bit longer. But the thing is, yeah, they don't do them that long. Yeah, I need to put so they go down vertically on the, so then they won't be crossing over this way. That's okay. Then again, I could just undo these. Yeah, and just flip them around and just bolt. I don't have to buy a new one. What am I bloody thinking? Yeah, just undo these and just do them down vertically. Oh, crikey. My THX cinema will be offline for about a day or two. Oh no, I couldn't bear living without. Oh no, the home theatre cinema. Oh no, oh dreadful, wasn't it, Magic? It's catastrophe. Yeah. Use any technique. Use any technique there. So just got the cable in. And it's only there for testing. It's not permanent until I'm I like it. But yeah, just put a few matchsticks in the holes, and it holds the cable there. Yeah, THX certified. Ooh, turn this light off. Bloody hell. Oh, I've got my head torch on. Okay, it's on the SW, it's on the amp return. Okay, check. So I'm not using a lot of power there, really. Okay. Out the camera. Bloody, fuck off, overload. Okay, it should come up with the waveform. Mute. There we go. You'll see that there, that's 100 Hz. go to oscilloscope. There. Go adjust. Yeah, looks okay. Okay. Got that on the scope there, and I've got that on the scope there. Of course, the resident I hear is bothering me because it takes quite a bit of trial and error to position bass shakers. It's not a case of just put them there and someone that's not experienced with them, and then you just hear like, oh, that sounds good. Oh, I'll just turn it up. Yeah. You don't know how much damage you're going to do to that bass shaker, you know, because if you overload it too much, incorrectly operating it, yeah, it will be a gimmick in a way. It'll go up and it'll just, the voice coil will end up heating up, overloading, and just go burn out. You only need a very little, but it's how things are placed. I've got other bass shakers that fitted down here, a bit of Velcro and a bit of MDF, and the other Aura Daytons. They're underneath the seats underneath here. Even they have to be specifically placed because the angle of the seat bucket. So it's kind of like that. You know, it's picture that. You know, it's got little angles in it, and the bass shaker is flat, so therefore it's got to be flat to the surface. I've got some sort of idea to make some sort of, get some liquid nails, but I don't know if that'll work, and then make it some sort of mould sort of form. But it's really undoing one of the seat buckets and then flipping it upside down and putting some liquid nails or something on top that I can make a mould, and then make duplicates of that. Then I can attach that, and then that will fit against the surfacing of the shape of the seat bucket, and then the bass shaker will fit nicely flush against it. As it is at the moment, it's just got two screws in each left to right, left to top to bottom, right, you know, corners, just to hold them on there. Bolt screws, so to think. But it takes a lot more than that. Yeah, with a sofa, you know, wooden frame, it's easy, and you know, they're hidden. You know, you won't see them, and they'll just make the. It's not a case of just feeling the vibration. To get a lot of that from the speakers takes a heck of a lot, you know, and sometimes it might be a little bit too much, you know, for taking. But with a bass shaker, yeah, it's easy. But it's got to be done carefully. Otherwise, you overload it and you'll burn them out. And you can't just make the seating and that rattle. That's not part of the soundtrack. It wouldn't even be part of the sine wave tone. And to do that, it's just it could take days, if not weeks, to perfect it. You might get lucky first time, and you know, you got to test the sine wave tones. You got to use sine wave tones to test. You can't just put a bass shaker on and then play music suddenly and it's, oh wow, that's great. you got to check to see whether it's got any resonant noises and such and so forth, and it's really technical. Otherwise, bass shakers are not a gimmick. If they're used correctly, they could be very effective. Very effective. It's like, wow, I didn't know I was missing that in the soundtrack. You know, you could say like, hold a 15-inch bass driver or a 12-inch against your chest, free air, and feel the energy. And it's like, yeah, that's what I felt in that THX cinema. Kind of like that. only it was about 20-meter distance away, and it was doing that. Oh yeah, it just takes a bit of effort to set it up. Yeah, so I might try and make a mould, some sort of, because of the way the seats are shaped, the seat bucket. As it is with this one here, yeah, that's okay. Down the side here, I could put a bass shaker, the ones I've got, but the problem there being is gravity and their positioning. If playing sine wave tone and then moving it around in different positions, that's the upright position where, yeah, that seems like it's a normal position, and then you turn it upside down, side angles, and go through all the sine wave tones to see if it's doing anything, jittering or making a rubbing or some buzzing internal noise. There's a lot to it to check, to go through. And of course, speakers like to be in a certain position and how they're designed and fit, and gravity, and sometimes they sag. There's some myth that they sag and all this, and there's a lot to check. As well as speakers. Blah blah blah. You're near to the beach, and there's a certain amount of salt in the air. Anyway. So get a bit of a. If I put the other bass shakers on, because I can't switch through all the ones that I've got. Though, wait a second, I could. Yeah. Oh, there's a place around here somewhere. I tell you, you help me find something magic and get a treat. How about you, Bear? You in on it? Huh? You're only meowing because you want feeding. What we have here is the perfect eating machine. It's really a miracle of evolution. All these machines do is meow, leap up, and eat, and sleep, and use the cat litter. And that is all they do. Dun-dun. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Really is a miracle of evolution. I've got a speaker switcher box. Never really used it. I was going to use it for a test a while back, but now I want to use it for a test. Where did I put it? I have no idea. Could be anywhere. I've looked high, low, cupboards. It was on the top of the counter and I placed it somewhere, but where would I have placed it? Could my kitties saw it and thought, what's this? And they could have possibly moved it. Oh, I looked high and low. It was up there. There we go. I can wire this up. I tried the switch box, I'm just not confident with it. I'll just do a simple bare wire, undo one wire with the one bass shaker and one for the other. What a mess. After huff puff and sweating. So that all I have to do is connect the wires here. That'll be for the other bass shakers behind me, those little, what do you call them, Dayton exciters. Little teeny little things. And this will be the Aura ones underneath the seat bucket. So, well, just one of them on money testing at the moment. So, because I got them on two different amplifier outputs on the same amplifier. So, yeah, I wasn't confident with the switch box. I never used one before. Never used a speaker switcher box before. I thought, I didn't like the sound of that, and I thought, I hope this thing's not doing any feedback and then going back and then causing, So I didn't want to mess with it. I'll just do it this way, and after I'm finished with the test, I'll just wire everything all back up normally again. It's just for testing. So that's the bass shaker underneath. That's underneath the seat. I can hear a bit of resonance. Not as much. Not as much as the other one, I think. So it's kind of like. They're all on the same crossover on the DCX. So not using the oscilloscope over there at the moment, so I might as well. Oh, well, that makes a difference to the room. Sounds different now because of the fan on it. Yeah, it's not a problem. Let's see. Yeah. So the way it's interacting with the vibration, get a bit of a. Of course, I can hear it going into the other seat. I think I'm not that sure. I think it's connected to another bass shaker on the. Oh yeah, there's another bass shaker that's connected. So I'll probably isolate this one. Isolate one. Disconnect the wire on one. Isolate it. Yeah, the 40 doesn't seem very strong because of where it's mounted. Okay, so this is another long video. Yeah. Okay, another bass shaker. That was middle seat behind me. On my right side, it's below me, middle. Yeah, I thought, what was something else making a, So I've got to isolate everything to go through and check one by one. So I'll disconnect this one. That's the aura. I'll connect up the exciter. That resonates a bit. On the seat back. But it's not exactly positioned correctly because of the type. It's good at 40 Hz there on the feel, but that's based on its positioning. There's positioning on the back of the seat, two of them. I've got a third one that's stuck to the seat bucket, but I'm not using that one at the moment. That's not bad, that frequency there. That's pretty good. Oh yeah. Oh, that's pretty good. Maybe I just might maybe just go with the I don't know, the exciters, because they're small, they're more manageable to position, but still based on trial and error and where they're placed. I mean, the sine wave tone should be consistently smooth. It will slope down due to a crossover slope or the whatever, the AVR or amplifier or such. or the actual device itself. Does it pick up well at 20 hertz? A mild feel. I can feel something very mild against my back. If I lean forward from the seat, maybe mute and turn it off. Yeah, it's very, very mild. So one thing's telling me is the positioning on the back of the seat may not be very good for, say, 20 hertz. Okay, so I'll disconnect this. Disconnect that and wire it, and wire the Aura Dayton bass shaker, you know, the bigger one. Wire that up, just turn the fader down and turn it up. Is it connected? I don't think it is. Okay, try it again. Turn the fader down. Yeah, it's a bit similar. It's a bit similar. Of course, I can give it a little bit more amplifier power. It's not too bad. Okay, let me check, see if I've got all the crossover on the filter. Okay, let's turn that filter off on that. Turn that link Riley 12 dB off. Should go up a bit more higher. Yeah, it goes up a bit more higher, yeah. That's not too bad. Oh yeah, that's a good feel. Okay, I can go below. Yeah. 18 hertz. Okay. Take gain level up a bit. Ooh, what's going on there with the sine wave? Ooh, what's going on with that? Don't like the look of that. What's going on there? That's 25 hertz. That vibrates nicely. Right, let's go back down. Yeah. What's going on with the sine wave signal there? It looks a bit weird. Is it an optical illusion? Okay. It just looks a little bit weird. It looks a bit strange, that does. Yeah, that looks a little bit curious. I have to look into that anyway. I'll look into that anyway. Test, test, test.